Coats Group plc is originally a Scottish-born company which was founded in 1755 by James Coats. Since then, Coats has been a truly innovative company. Throughout history, Coats has grown from a local manufacturing facility to currently moving from an industrial manufacturing company to a digital age initiative.
In April 2020, Coats takes action towards the pandemic. During the pandemic, Coats dedicated their focus towards coming together to fight against the pandemic as much as they could. Coats received a lot of calls from different enterprises in order to ask for help producing the protective articles to fight against COVID-19. When the Coats factory in Shanghai was approached by a company asking for sewage and threads to produce a batch of protective clothing for containment areas, Shanghai factory provided the sewing threads as soon as they could. Coats China employed thousands of workers in order to maintain efficient production of required products throughout the war of pandemic. They ensured the safety of their employees and departments work for different shifts at days and nights. At the same time, Coats also formed a special team to deliver the goods as much efficiently as possible to the customers which were actively producing protective materials. Not only that, but they also had dispatched a group of hardworking colleagues to collect information, integrate, and dispatch materials appropriately. In the past year, Coats has partnered with different actors such as Durable PPE Task Force to confront the pandemic. In this coalition, Coats started and continued to provide high-quality thread, trims, special products, technical supports and services as well as guidance on adhering to PPE regulations to manufacturers switching their operations. In one of the articles stated in 2020, it was also introduced that the raw material suppliers that produced materials for the use in production of PPE. As per the Coats website, Coats made it their first priority to take care of the health and safety of their own employees working with them. Coats had comprehensive pandemic response plan which was activated to help mitigate the transmission of the virus. The plans and actions were led out by locals, federals, and even the global agencies. They implemented the global approach and started treating pandemic weeks before it was declared as the global pandemic. The guidelines for COVID-19, OSHA, were implemented by late March itself. They implemented the global plans for all employees working at the factories to wear masks from April 8, 2020. A whole 3 months before WHO and CDC said everybody had to wear masks. Coats implemented the pandemic response plan by the end of July 2020. COVID-19 task force committees were established at the site, cluster and global levels to focus on 2 main points. First, to monitor the government action and regulations and to look at the action daily meetings to ensure the health and safety plans were being implemented. Along with it, the group started procedures have been established, which included the following: working from home, disinfecting and sanitizing of the sites, mandatory wear of face masks, measure of temperature on entering and exiting the sites, travel restrictions, and managing the infections.
While it does its own research and product development to create new sewing solutions, at the same time, it produces its own yarns, dyes, finishes them at its own facility. However, as an innovative company, Coats works with its customers, both contractors and brands, to develop its commercial strategy. As the leading thread manufacturer, Coats has a large set of differentiated products which offer unique value to specialty applications. Some examples include Coats Firefly, a thread which is made 100% from spun meta-aramid fiber, providing a flame-resistant feature up to 371 degrees Celsius without melting. Anonymous Firefly 2021. On April 8, 2020, Coats joined the Gerber Personal Protection Equipment Task Force as a coalition partner. Rajiv Sharma, Coats Group Chief Executive, said, "In unprecedented times, we can be most effective by working together in partnerships for the greater good. By collaborating our innovation and expertise, we can deliver an industry-defining moment that is greater than the sum of its parts." Coats is proud to be joining Gerber PPE Task Force, and we are ready to help make a difference in keeping people safe during the pandemic. Anonymous News 2020. In this coalition, Coats started and continues to provide high-quality threads, trims, specialist products, technical support and services, as well as guidance on adhering to PPE regulation to manufacturers switching their operations. It will also introduce its raw material suppliers that produce materials for use in the production of PPE. Anonymous 2020. Also, it is very important to mention that Coats is a key driver in this effort by supplying specialty products which help to strengthen SIM security for personal protection equipment, as well as technical service required to perform well in securing SIMs regarding both the functional performance of SIMs, which may include water repellent and antibacterial properties, as well as aesthetics. Anonymous Webinar 2, Best Practices for Assembling Medical PPE, minute 2 to 23 seconds, 2020. Coats has maintained its partners in collaborative space. Nonetheless, Coats has also strategically partnered with the Gerber PPE Task Force to directly influence the personal protection equipment industry, which nowadays is in much need to help fight the global threat of the COVID-19 pandemic.
According to Tim Mee, sales director for Coats North America for Bad Times magazine, you don't get to be a 264-year-old company by doing the same thing you've always done over and over again. It is true that from its origins, a rooted commitment to innovation and collaboration has been cause and consequence of the company's leadership in industrial thread manufacturing. When we analyze Coats' latest initiatives prior to COVID-19 pandemic, innovation seems to be more centralized inside the company. Examples are the opening of 3 innovation hubs, creation of a consultancy service for its customers, and development of a digital division for software solutions. Considering the pandemic, some examples of internal activities that Coats engaged include process innovation as broadcasts of live webinars, organization of an anti-pandemic special line for immediate dispatch of resources, and development of a technology solution to help its customers during order confirmation and production plan for PPE, as stated in the company's events page on the website. As reported by Forbes, Coats is also benchmarking to find better ways to connect the information from its manufacturing management system to more responsive production planning, enabling agile and more collaborative responses to urgent demands as the ones caused by COVID-19. The outbreak of the pandemic, however, has changed Coats' centralized strategy to a more collaborative one into innovation networks. Some of them, available in the company's news and Coats in Action pages on its website, are the aforementioned Gerber Task Force and the partnership between Coats and Hype, a leader of technology and innovation in the textile industry, for the utilization of its viral block technology for the development of a range of threads called Protect-V. The new product has gone through consistent testing and it has its efficiency confirmed for the provision of ongoing sustainable personal protection, being the most advanced material for manufacturing of PPE and antiviral clothing.
The brand believes in controlling and streamlining the process of the development of product, its services, execution, life cycle, and capacity planning. These steps require utmost planning and execution. The company believes in seamless and flawless execution of the aforementioned. Specialized digital technology has made an indelible impact in the transformation of fashion supply and change in the adaptive performances. To accelerate new product development, costing, sourcing, capacity planning, and order execution lifecycle, Codes Digital Specialist Software Solutions provide the best services launched in December 2019. The integrated technology business aims to bring together software solutions under a single brand. The brand covers apparel and software industries, aligning and satisfying customers' requirements. The person behind this dream, be that is nurtured and grown so wide and big is Jeff Fenner. Managing director makes it looks like a cakewalk. The width and breadth of this brand is imprinted in more than 65 countries. In the recent times, Codes Digital has launched PPE Fast Track, an initiative to directly support manufacturers. Codes Digital is a leading industry-led organization to address the pandemic-caused global strategy shortage of PPE. Formerly GST Enterprise, Codes Group plc is the leading conglomerate of world's leading industry-led and consumer textile crafts business. In a life-altering decision taken by GST and strategical alliance was undertaken by GST, Codes acquired 100% of GST Corporation Limited. This decision helped the company become a supplies expert management solution provider. Codes Digital is a technology company which combines a suite of innovative software solutions with strong background knowledge. According to the corporate venture definition stated by Business Entered, Codes Digital can be considered one asset expanded from internal process, product, or service development to a new business at the same time that Codes Digital maintains control of the new company at a large extent. Brand Suite by Codes Digital helps brands and retailers efficiently control, streamline, and accelerate the entire new product. Codes is a leader in the industry with a deep-rooted amiability and with other organizations. It is currently witnessing demand in the areas, giving the retailers and supply chain vendors prompt consulting and expertise in production prerequisites. GST helps to engage and enhance end-to-end business operation excellence. It also provides training and technology solutions in alignment with in-demand industry needed services. Quality assurance and compliance is at the core of GST has the provision to reach global resources. Merging two companies that believe in providing specialized technical knowledge, integrity with data handling, and much required industry experience is one of the best decisions that the world has witnessed. This change will bring in offers and services will transition the entire domain and work towards providing productivity that is incomparable in nature across borders.